Okay, seriously people, what the fuck is this? Is it a cat? Or... What? I don't get the legs! It can't have been there that long, so it had maggots on it. I'm not focusing on the eyes, it freaks me out! I'm not focusing on the eyes! It freaks me out! I'm getting stared at! What's it stared at? No, not by the cat! The legs freak me out, the legs look like cats, but they don't. Don't look at us like that!
Would they?
What?
It doesn't look like it's got a lump on its back.
Maybe it did get hit and it put its like whole body like out of place.
Go now.
Did they see? No. Like eye, everything else is white. Just eye. Yeah. Well, I don't get it. It doesn't look like a cat. I don't care if it's dead. It's eye. It doesn't look like a fucking cat. I want to go what it is. The legs. No, the legs. They don't look like. They look like a cat.
It's big, positive, but
The legs. I think it's some kind of mutant monster.
it's moulded. It's like some moulded together.
No, you see the legs. You can see that the skin's actually stuck together. And like, you get one leg and the other leg.
Hey, skin's gone over.
Ugh. It's like if you get the legs like that and you try to do that, you hear a bit crack. That'd be well good.
I ain't got some actually.
What?
That was touching it.
Really? Ask them to touch it.
Its eye is really weird, okay?
Yeah.
Can you guess what its weird thing is?
It's really want to fucking know.
It's got cat feet. And got nose up on the face.
You know what the legs reminded me of?
What?
A dog. Or
Well,
some...
no, but it's not a dog because it's a cat.
I know.
Legs and cat. Tail. It's such a dog. It's such a big dog.
No, I mean dog.
I ain't touched it though.
The legs.
I don't touch it.
Fuck you.
I touch it.
You don't want to touch a dead animal like that? I don't know about that.
Can't hear you, mate.
Too small. Nah. I think they're looking at a dead cat.
Well, I'll just keep it.
Gosh. What the fuck? Get a bit taller, you might be in fault. This, why were you being quiet as well? Don't be nasty, this is still in nursery. What is something on the right nasty kids?
At least somebody didn't feed your people like this.
Petty.
What's up? Consider 50 miles.
50 miles per hour, love. Wait, why is it 40 up there and 50 here? Why is it 40 up there and 50 up here? That's Jay.
200 yards.
Wow. They're standing there.
Oh my god, what a fucking street.
It's not a dead, whatever it is. That's a bird, right? I thought it was really like, we just walked like this. Its legs though. Its legs reminded me of a dog or a horse. I don't know what a horse was. What is it? What is that? Yeah, I just want to get the legs and do that. And see if like his skin goes apart. Like, what? I think it'd be well for you. Like, you just rip them apart and you'll hear.
That's right. Whatever that is.
As he said, right? I think it's a mutant. door. Look at his face. I seriously think though. Imagine if I did kick it. It's got. Seriously though, like where I was, it reminded me of like just like a clump of fur gone wrong. I thought its face was like had dead. That is so. Oh, that's so fake. What? Does fur grow over them when they die?
I hope so.
It's a mutant!
Well, what?
Yeah. I'm sticking with my story that it's a mutant.
Yeah, I kind of agree with that.
Yeah. Well, we're walking. Bam! Okay. Mud on road. Oh no, this road works in the way. I can't be fucked, Cry. What's that then? Well, fuck either. Fine. Ice cream truck! Should we just walk back? Alright. Say bye-bye, because I'm going to take a picture to remind us how far we walked out. Ready? Bye again! Tell us what the fuck that mutant thing is.
Please, sir, can you do it?
Yeah.